Those that drive south on the Garden State Parkway from Atlantic City will notice something very different. A landmark that's been there for decades is no more. We're talking about the Beesley Point Power Plant, or most importantly, the smokestack. As of this morning, it is officially gone, as you can tell. And we were here roughly about 3 months ago to give you a drone video, or a seagull's point of view, of what it looks like before it was demolished. And so I figured, now that it's gone, let's go ahead and go back and give you one more tour. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to our patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make fun videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Even though it's fall, we know you can't wait for Christmas, and so we're pleased to announce our new Christmas ornament for this winter. It's the Welcome to the Wildwood sign at Rio Grande when you come in. That is joining the other new one for this year, which is all the Wildwoods on one pole. I actually like this one better than the other one. Altogether, we've got 4 Christmas ornaments for you to check out on our Etsy page, and I'll put the link in the description below. Anyway, let's get the seagull in the sky. So there you guys go. As you know, there's going to be a massive redevelopment of this land down the line, and if you want more information about that, you can check out the wildwoodvideoarchive.com's article, which I will link in this video. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'm Joey. I'll see you on the beach, which is, it's that way, but technically this is the beach because there's sort of like a beach over here. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.